This video explains how to buy shares of Aptamer Group Plc, a UK biotechnology company focused on aptamer-based research tools and therapeutics, listed on LSE PLC under the ticker APTA.L. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. Investing carries risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. To buy this stock, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you'll usually verify your account with a photo ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker APTA.L to find Aptamer Group Plc. Select the matching LSE listing to ensure you've located the correct share. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for Aptamer Group Plc. Double-check the LSE listing and ticker APTA.L to confirm it's the correct security. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, and if you want to follow these steps, the link to eToro is in the description.